Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a TradingView widget to your website, blog, or wherever you need it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to embed a live, up-to-date TradingView chart or market widget, making your content look both more professional and super handy for your viewers. Whether you're running a financial blog, building a dashboard, or just want to keep real-time charts on your webpage, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to the TradingView website. If you haven't used TradingView before, it's an incredibly powerful charting platform used by traders worldwide. To do anything with their widgets, you want to visit their main site. Just open up your browser and type in TradingView.com. Take a moment to log into your account if you want to save customizations, but honestly, you don't strictly need to be logged in to grab a widget. Now, once you're on the homepage, look up at the top of the screen. You'll see a navigation bar with options like Markets, Screeners, and Community. What you want to do is hover your mouse over the More tab. It should be right at the end of the navbar. Just move your cursor there and pause for a second. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. This section is honestly packed with extra features and resources that people often miss, so it's a handy place to explore for future needs too. Next, with that drop-down menu open, move your mouse again. This time you're looking for the For Business option. Hover over that and you'll get another submenu. TradingView really tucks away some powerful tools here for website owners and businesses, including all the widgets we're after today. Now comes the key part. Go ahead and click on All Widgets. This will take you to TradingView's widgets page, a sort of marketplace, but everything here is free and super easy to integrate. Just let the page load. Sometimes it might take a moment, depending on your connection. Once you're on this page, simply scroll down. TradingView offers a variety of widgets, everything from simple market tickers to beautiful interactive charts, mini charts, forex boards, and much more. Take your time here and browse through. Think about what kind of information or functionality you want to display. For example, if you want your website visitors to see a live chart of Bitcoin, look for the mini chart widget. If you want to show a market overview, there's one for that too. When you see something that fits your needs, click the Get Widget button for that specific one. Now you'll see an interface where you can actually customize your widget. This is on the right side of your screen. Here you get to choose things like which financial instrument to display, what time interval to use, color schemes to match your site's theme, sizing, language. You've got a lot of flexibility. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming. Just start simple. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview update right there, so you can play around until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how your widget looks, it's time to grab the code you need. There will be a button or text box that says Copy Code or Get HTML Code. Just click it. This will automatically copy all the necessary HTML to your clipboard. It's literally ready to paste. Finally, head over to your website editor, blog platform, or wherever you want to use the widget. Simply paste that code right into the desired spot, usually into an HTML block or editor section. Save your changes, and that's it. You'll now have a fully functional TradingView widget embedded, showing live financial data. And there you have it. Adding a TradingView widget is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable tutorials like this. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using TradingView widgets, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.